Good day, my name is Matt Crawford, and today I'm going to take a moment and speak about merchant rate and what we mean by that term and how that term impacts your business. For the longest time in the merchant services industry, a merchant rate defined how much you paid in a month. That is, what percentage of your Visa and MasterCard was withheld to pay your merchant services provider. You may also know the term merchant rate by the acronym MDR, or merchant discount rate. So, your merchant rate again is the percentages that is taken from each Visa and MasterCard sale you do. As I mentioned, for the longest time in the industry, that was really the only cost associated with Visa and MasterCard acceptance. You paid a terminal rental fee, you paid a per transaction fee for your debit, and then you paid your merchant rate or your percentage on your Visa and MasterCard transactions. What has happened over the last probably 5 years or so is the merchant rate has gotten lower and lower and lower. So at first blush, that seems like a good thing. Where you might pull out a statement from 4 or 5 years ago that saw you paying 2 or 2.5% in a merchant rate. Today that same statement would show a rate of 1.65 or 1.7. But what has happened as the merchant rate has come down, as other fees have gone up, you will now in all likelihood pay some sort of monthly fee. It'll be called a statement fee, a value add fee, or simply a monthly fee. You will also pay a non-qualified charge. So what the processors have done, and this is across the industry, is they've lowered your merchant rate, which is the rate charged on, I'll say, ordinary cards. And by ordinary cards, I mean those cards that are issued to consumers, they're issued from a Canadian financial institution, and they're processed electronically at your business. Electronic meaning either the mag stripe is read or the chip and pin is used to perform the transaction. So the merchant rate has gotten lower, but the definition of which cards qualify for that lower merchant rate has also gotten lower. All these other charges have been added on. One of the first things I tell merchants when I'm talking to them and they say, Matt, what's your best rate? I say, who cares what my best rate is? My best rate is 1%, but you're going to pay a $500 monthly charge on that. You don't want my best merchant rate. What you want is you want the best pricing for your business. You want to process Visa and MasterCard at the lowest cost. Whether that cost is made up of a merchant rate, a monthly fee, a non-qual surcharge, whatever that is, you as a merchant should be more focused on what